This is a mussel, like the ones we find in the ocean, like the ones we eat. This mussel has millions of years. It's a petrified mussel. It's really heavy. And look at the size of it. Well, it's not really that any bigger or smaller than the ones we see today at the store. So it's a petrified shell mussel. And it has an expression in it. Isn't that weird? I wonder if somebody just made it look that way or it just formed that way. Imagine something like this to last for so many years, thousands of years, and nobody never crack it open. Now look at this one. That's one. Just heavy pieces. They're petrified. When you open them inside, there's nothing inside. Just probably the fissure of the animal that was inside the shell. You know, like the living clam. That's here. It's another one. It's a petrified shell. Now this one could have a pearl. Maybe a pearl. They find pearls mainly in this kind. Oh my goodness. Now there's another one here. Petrified shell. Petrified. I would be curious to crack them open, but it's not worth it because I've seen so many they have done that too. And they don't really have anything inside. But just the features of the living thing that used to be inside of it. I really like this one. It's so majestical. Preserved. It's been preserved. Wow. I got some others. And it's, no, this is just a crystals with different colors. Who's that? I love the smell of these. It smells, they got a peculiar smell to it.